So my friends always ask me, how come you always wear matching earrings on your outfits? We also have earrings, but we are not able to find them when we have to wear them, and then we end up wearing the same ones every time. So today I'm going to share my secret of how I have organized my earrings and how I have been able to wear the matching earrings every time I go out. So I'm going to show you all the simple organizer that I have made at home to organize my earrings. It's a DIY, do it yourself. So something that can be done with the things available in your house. So let us see what all we'll need to make an earring organizer at home. So what do we need to make an earring organizer? So we need a photo frame without a glass. So we all have a photo frame at home. So you just have to remove the glass of it and we can use them. And we need a cross stitch fabric. So this is a cross stitch fabric, as you can see, but this is a stiff one. So you get a soft one also, but we need a stiff one for this. And if you can't get this fabric, you can order this cross stitch kit online. It's available on Amazon also. So you can order this and use this for making an earring organizer, which doesn't cost more than 200 rupees. So what we are going to do is we just place this fabric. Okay, turn this photo frame. And place this. So this is done. So our earring organizer is ready. So this is very simple. It is made from the things available in the house itself. Now let us see how to organize the earrings. So our organizer is ready. On this organizer we are going to hang the earrings. Okay, these are the hanging ones that the ones that I have worn. So we are going to use this to hang them. So this is how you can hang your earrings. So this is one of the way to organize your earrings. I know, you all must be thinking, but what about the earrings with a screw? Yes, so I'm also going to show you how I organize those earrings. So let us see. So I have made another organizer which I have used the same cross stitch cloth, but I have used this hanger. So what I have done is I have just used this satin ribbons to tie this cross stitch cloth to the hanger. Okay, you can stitch it also. The advantage of this is that I can hang the earrings which doesn't have a screw behind. At the same time, I have also put the earrings which have a screw. Okay, as you can see. So you can just put the screw from behind. So you can see there are earrings which have a screw. So this way you can organize both the earrings in the same organizer, and I have also shown you one way is this. Okay, so these are both the organizers that I have made at home for my earrings. So I know now you all know the secret of me wearing the matching earrings always. So since I have a display of my earrings, I am able to just grab the one that I need and wear it. So you all also can organize your earrings in this way. So today I have shared with you all my secret of organizing my earrings. So now you all know how do I always wear matching earrings with my clothing. So if your earrings are displayed and you can see them, you will also be able to wear matching earrings on your outfit every time you go out. I hope you will find this video very useful. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Stay happy.